जान्छ त बाइक त्यही हो त राडी होइन
गाडीको सस्पेन्सन Magma, my friends, and now we are at Magma. The road condition is a bit challenging around Magma. I just saw the line of the houses over the hill, and that is fantastic line of houses, man. I have never seen houses arranged in such a way, man. So currently we are at Magma. Houses over there, that is in very strange fashion. Yeah, they are arranged in very strange fashion. Look at this line of the house, that is called Danagaon, and currently we are traveling towards Naduwa, and from Naduwa we will be heading towards Radi, so it might take us like 40 or 30 minutes from here, no idea. Some say that the Radi is 5 hours, some say it can take us 2 hours, some say it can take us 1 hour. So very confusing, man, but let's see if we can make towards Radi, how much time it will take towards Naduwa, and then we can calculate the time for Radi after that. Man, that house is something, man. Not shown from the below there. Now we are at level to the Danagao. And I think there over there somewhere is Naduwa. Yeah, there is village over here as well. The houses are amazing, man. Another gorgeous view from here. There is sunset over there. And look at this village, man. This is the road where we came from. And there is another village over there. And here is the Danagao. Wow. Fantastic, man. Lovely. यो नदुवा हो ऊ त्यो माथिको बाटो त्यहीसम्म जानुपर्छ त्यो के अरे त्यो राडी जानलाई त्यही माथिसम्म जानुपर्छ This is not Naduwa. Naduwa right over there. We need to go there and then go downhill for Radi again. So I think we can reach there in about 5 or 10 minutes from here. Naduwa is still far, man. I thought we are at Naduwa, but yeah, I was wrong again. So yeah, might take us another hour for Radi. And from Naduwa, I think Radi is straight downhill after Naduwa. Man, you ask me, I'm loving this journey, man. This village, this structure is completely new to me. Look at this village, man. Look at this village. Look at these fields. Look at this community, and look at that road. These are all completely new for me. Naduwa is steep uphill, man. It took us almost an hour to reach Naduwa, and I think it will take another hour to reach Radi from here. And currently it is 6 o'clock. Wow, there is bus here, man. So I think this is Naduwa. Burtibang, Naduwa. Yeah, we are at Naduwa. Radi जाने यतैबाट हो है अब 1 घण्टा लाग्छ है त्यस्तै 1 घण्टा जस्तो हैन अब बाटो ओह्रालो छ कि हस् हजुर हस् Yeah, it can take us about an hour to reach Radi, and we are at Naduwa. That was Naduwa checkpost. 6 o'clock, so yeah, we will reach Radi at 7, I think. And if we reach Radi at 7, then today our riding time will be 11 hours, man. That's amazing, man. It's like going towards Taplejung, man. So this is the last uphill. After this it will be downhill for Radi. We came down over there from the base of the river, man. This uphill is 1 hour uphill. Yeah, not 1 hour, but from the lake, Syarpu Lake, it take us 1 hour, and we'll rest for a while here. This is Danagao, this is Danagao, I think, and this is Naduwa. There are a lot of houses over Naduwa as well, and I think this hill also receives snow. This winter, even the Himalaya seems a bit of naked, I think. Man, this is fantastic. I'm loving it. We'll go towards Radi from here 1 hour, and in 7 o'clock we'll reach Radi, and then we will make it day 2 at Radi. So after Naduwa, our downhill for Radi starts from here. Yeah, I think we have nearly made the downhill. I think about 30% is left. We have almost completed this downhill. I think 10 or 20% is remaining. Completed this downhill in about 30 minutes, I think. And yeah, this downhill is relatively hard than the uphill. There are a lot of rocks, and in some area it was slippery as well. यसो समातिन् न हजुर हजुर जानी पाउने ओहो जान्छ त बाइक झरेर झन् कसरी लाने दाइ यति नै हो कि कति हो ओहो कसरी लान्छ त यार चढेर लगिरह ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल स्ट्यान्ड लगा न भयो Oh man.
भन्दै झन्दा यसरी घुमाम भयो उचालेर घुमाम भयो
ल
पछाडि उचालेर घुमाम है यो
हे भगवान हो clearance. Look at this clearance. This is nothing, man. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this road. Look at this road, man. Whoa. Yeah, they are constructing the bridge. Wow, this is really tough, man. धन्यवाद दाइ धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दाइ Yeah, that brother rode our bike, man. This is really tough. So I have asked one local guy. He said that the Radi is about 15 minutes from here. These are waterproof boots. Yeah, there is this river crossing over here, so I need waterproof boots. Yup, waterproof boots are required. Oh, that was huge river crossing actually. Wow, there are a lot more, man. Wow, this is deep, man. Yep, this is Radi. So we rode today 208 kilometers. It is 7:24, so yeah, 11 and a half hours. We started our journey at 8 a.m. and we have finally reached Radi. You Radi and Radi है यो यहाँ राम्रो होटल कहाँ छ अट्याच बाथरुम भएको होटलहरु छ है यहाँबाट यसमा छ यसमा फेरि बाइक पार्किङ यही हो के फरक पर्दैन बाइक पार्किङ भएको होटलहरु छैन अट्याच भएको It costs us 1,000 for the room. So yeah, this is our hotel. There is attached bathroom. It costs us 1,000. Nope. My brother has already locked the room. Okay, so this is the room. One queen size bed, one single bed, and this is the bathroom. Yeah, I think this is good for. Wow, there is geyser as well. Okay, not bad, not bad. Today we rode like 208 kilometers. Yesterday we rode like 300 and something. So yeah, altogether it might be like 500. I'll give you the update in the morning. From here, our day 3 itinerary is towards Dunay and then start our trek from there. Okay, see you at day 3 towards Dunay. Till then, take care. Bye bye.